Come on, guys. Oh, where are the Thunderbirds?
Here comes another plane.
Another plane needs to get out.
You're ruining our shot here, people.
I wonder if Joe and Dennis
Yeah, I think they missed the turnable.
I think you're right.
Come on, birds, go away. You know they're gonna scare us, right?
50? Yeah.
Oh. All right. Apparently the airport didn't get the memo.
Maybe a flash on or off. I just turned it on. You did. And it'll only go if it's on auto. Yeah. Yeah, mine. These like little sharp hands or something. But only my second. Come on. It dries, and it doesn't help a lot of times. Like
And-
right now, we're
Sorry.
standing here. Yeah. From standing here, it's the same. It's almost the same nerve that goes to your neck.
That's crazy.
Yeah, well,
I'll
that
get
all
like
these
tingling in my
nerves-
fingers every once in a while. It's not
No,
consistent.
mine is bad. Yeah, mine is super bad. But mine, this was on this.
Okay, the birds have gone.
Compressed.
Oh, guys.
Yes.
Oh, man. Yeah, just chanting will make, they'll hear it.
USA.
Oh.
Love it.
They're supposed to be jets and be fast. Why are they so fast?
They're cruising.
I know. They're like, what is this?
Oh, let's just go to first.
You see them? Oh, oh, here they come!
Oh, yep, right over there.
The smoke.
Yeah.
Okay, they are.
Yeah.
Oh man, imagine being in that airplane. Woo! Yeah! What?